Very good morning, dear students. Welcome to the class. So, we have done till page number 28 of chapter 4, The Canterville Ghost. And here we have seen that two little white robed figures, they appeared and they thrown a large pillow on ghost head. There was evidently no time to be lost, and they didn't give any time to go and to be lost. Then what happened? This ghost, he quickly adopted the fourth dimension of space. The fourth dimension of space means the place only ghost can access, means only ghost can go or come. He vanished through the wainscoting. Wainscoting means the wooden panel, and the house became quiet. Now there was no activity of the ghost. On reaching a small secret chamber in the left wing, he leaned up against a moonbeam to recover his breath and began to try and realize his position. Now he moved to the secret chamber, which was on the left side, and he leaned up against a beam to recover, to take breath, and then began to try and realize about the position. Then he started thinking. Never in a brilliant and uninterrupted career of 300 years had he been so grossly insulted. Means he was thinking from last 300 years he has been here only, and he did a brilliant and uninterrupted job to scare the people and to leave the manor. And this very time, he was deeply insulted. He thought of the Dowager Duchess whom he had frightened into a fit as he stood before the glass in her lace and diamonds, of the four housemaids who had gone into hysterics when he merely grinned at them through the curtains in one of the spare bedrooms. Now he started thinking about the Duchess to whom he frightened when he was in front of the glass with her dress and the diamonds, and of the four housemaids who had gone into hysterics. Hysterics is uncontrolled tears, means keep on crying. What he did when he grinned at them through the curtains in one of the spare bedroom. In one of the spare means when no one is living, that is called the spare one, the extra one, isn't it? In that bedroom when they might have gone for cleaning up. So what he did, he grinned at them, and what happened to them? They kept on sobbing. Of the rector of the parish whose candle he had blown as he was coming late one night from the library, and who had been under the care of Sir William Gull, and of old Madame de Tremoillic, who, having wakened up one morning early and seen a skeleton seated in an armchair by the fire reading her diary, had been confined to her bed for 6 weeks with an attack of brain fever. So what he did, the rector is a priest in the Church of England who is in charge of the particular area, and parish is an area which is under the church for which a rector is responsible, isn't it? So here what he did, the candle had been blown of that parish and of that rector of the parish, and blown out as he was coming late one night, as he was coming late from the library. So he did that, and who had been under the care of Sir William Gull, and of old Madame de Tremoillic. Here is a madame. So what he did, he scared Tremoillic by scaring her. One day when she got up early, what did she saw? She saw that the skeleton is sitting in an armchair just in front of her and reading her diary, and she was there on her bed for 6 weeks because of the brain fever. And he remembered the terrible night when the wicked Lord Canterville, when the owner, the former owner of that manor, and he also remembered the terrible night when he found Lord Canterville choking in his dressing room. He was choked in his dressing room with the knave of diamonds. Knave of diamonds, here it is related to the playing cards. Halfway down his throat means that card was the card was halfway down to his throat, and confessed that he had cheated. And at that time only he confessed that he has cheated whom he has cheated Charles James Fox for 50,000 pounds at Crockford by that card only that he has swallowed. And he swore, who swore? Lord Canterville. He swore that the ghost has made him, means Lord Canterville, to swallow that card. All his great achievements came back to him again, and he remembered the achievements that he had for last 300 years with the enthusiastic egotism of the true artist. And as a true artist, he did all these things. He was thinking himself to be like that only. He went over his most celebrated performances, and he kept on trying and trying new things every now and then, and he was celebrating his own things, what he was doing, and smiled bitterly to himself. And he smiled at himself, and he recalled to mind his last appearance as Red Ruben, his debut as Gaunt Gibbon. These are the appearances, isn't it? That he started with the Gaunt Gibbon, and his last appearance became as Red Ruben. And the furor he had excited one lovely June evening by merely playing nine pins. And what happened? He played among himself also one evening with the nine pins with his own bones, that also in lawn tennis ground. And after all these, some rest modern Americans were to come and offer him the rising sun lubricator and throw pillows at his head. So here he is thinking that what happened to all those days, and now this time those days were gone when he enjoyed his performances as an artist, means by scaring the people whosoever has come to that manor. And now these Americans, these rest means bigde hue, like that, isn't it? They have come and offering him the lubricator oil, and they have thrown pillow at his head. And it was unbearable for the ghost that they are insulting him. Besides, no ghost in history had ever been treated in this manner. And he was thinking that if we see the history, no ghost has been treated like this. Accordingly, he determined to have vengeance. Vengeance means, besides this, what he was thinking? He was thinking to take revenge. Vengeance means to take revenge. Vengeance means to take revenge, and remain till day and night in an attitude of deep thought. And he remained there till daylight with this attitude, with just keep on thinking about this, and in a deep thought he was on that day, when he kept on thinking about the all last 3 years what he did, until the very last day when his appearance turned from Gaunt Gibbon to Red Ruben. That's all for today. Now listen to me, I'll be sending you the work, isn't it? I'll be sending you the work in group, and those who have not joined the group, please give me your WhatsApp number in my personal WhatsApp number so that I can send you the link. Till now, so many are there, those who buy some might be because of they have changed the number, or they are not getting the time because of that. But then also I'll tell you to take out your time and send me message so that I'll give you the link to join the group. Okay, so I'll give you the full work today in evening, okay, in the group itself. Take care all of you. Have a nice day ahead.